Hello everyone, it's Milk. So I'm at Second Link, the first petrol station, which is in Malaysia of course. I have no idea why I'm here also. So this morning I just woke up and I suddenly think I should ride to Malaysia. And here I am. Actually I don't have a destination now, I'm just like going to ride and see where I am like in 2 hours later. The wind is so strong you can see my bike is swerving left and right. It's actually my first time going so far in Malaysia, so I don't know where I'll end up but my GPS is currently set to Port Dickson, so after that I will see where to go. I'm not going to talk much during this trip, so I'm just going to ride and enjoy the trip, guys. So I'm on the highway AH2 now. If you just follow this highway, you can go to KL, Melaka, Ipoh or whatever. It just extends all the way to the end. One thing I like about Malaysia Road is that they have really clear signs, signboard directions. So it's really difficult to get lost even without the GPS. You know, I said this before, it's really terrible to go fast on my bike because it's naked. Doesn't have a windshield. Wow, and my helmet strap is like choking onto me for very long already. I have 230 km before I exit the highway to Port Dickson. But the rain is getting heavier. If it gets too heavy, I need to stop recording because the rain will get into my mic. So tired, fuck! I'm going to stop at the next petrol station for a break. Okay, I'm about an hour into the trip and I've gone 151 km. And my GPS stopped working, so I don't know how far more I have to go. Hello guys, I'm back! So I have about 60 more km before I reach Melaka. Initially I wanted to go to Port Dickson, but I don't think there's anything for me to eat there, so I'm just going to Melaka to eat the famous chicken rice at Zonder Street. And the weather is really clear now, man. Just now on my way here it was drizzling a bit and it felt terrible. But it's really nice to ride now. It's sunny, but the sun is not very hot. Oh yeah, I'm here, Melaka. Selamat datang ke Melaka. Okay, since you are here, I'm just going to ride slowly and see what's around. Wow, that's a freaking long traffic light. 144 seconds. I feel like I might have taken the wrong exit from the highway because this road has a lot of traffic lights. Should have taken the next exit, I think. Wow, so many traffic lights. I think I'm slowly going into the city area of Melaka. So, this is the tourist spot, so many tourists here. Okay, so I'm here at the chicken rice store. I don't know, is it safe for me to park my bike here? Anyway, talk to you later.
A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next day, when the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, like I said yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?" The duck said, "Goodbye." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Hello guys, I'm back. So I just tried the famous chicken rice here. It tastes okay. Actually I prefer the chicken rice in Singapore. Just gonna ride around and explore a bit before I head back to Singapore. Actually, I'm trying to find the beach area. Just take a look at it. I just rode into the residential area. I know the beach is somewhere around here lah. Okay, so in front you can see is the seaside already. A lot of cars are parked at the side, man. Okay, just gonna take a photo here. Okay, I got the shot I wanted and I'm heading back to Singapore now. I'm going back early so I can avoid all the jam, and I'm going to end this video here because I want to remove my GoPro. It's easier for me to ride that way. So if you like my video, please subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye.